If you've been on your feet all day, a standard foot soak isn't always enough to cut through that deep fatigue. Today, we're creating a professional grade Glacial Rose Foot Soak that uses targeted botanicals to revive tired muscles and softens rough skin. The glacial part of this recipe comes from the menthol crystals. They provide an immediate cooling sensation that distracts from the pain. Whether you're grabbing these ingredients from your home, Simply Earth, or using curated ingredients from our July Arctic Spa box, this soak is a game changer for summer foot care. For your base, you'll need a half cup of Epsom salt or baking soda. Baking soda is a natural deodorizer and water softener. Epsom salt is going to help your feet naturally detox. We're adding 1 tablespoon of rose petals. If you crumble them in your fingers first, they release a beautiful floral aroma as they rehydrate. Next is our safety anchor. 1 teaspoon of almond oil mixed with 4 drops of Breathe Easy Blend and 1 drops of Anise Star. Anise Star is a rare find in many home collections, and buying a whole bottle just for 1 drop can be a bit much, which is why the July box is such a great way to access these high-end oils without the bulk buy cost. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of crushed menthol crystals. I like to crush the menthol crystals while they're still in the bag. Stir it all together until the salt looks slightly glossy. This gloss tells you that the almond oil is evenly coating the salts, ensuring the essential oils disperse safely in your water rather than floating on top. When you're ready, swirl this into a warm basin and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. The Anise Star adds a warm, spicy contrast to the icy menthol, creating a sensation similar to a deep tissue muscle rub. It's a total luxury for your feet. When you make this, share a picture and tag from Simply Earth with hashtag I made this, and you could win a $100 gift card to Simply Earth. I'll see you in the next video.